Okay guys, so today we're going to learn a new type of word, and these words are going to help us describe things that we like and everything that we see in life, and maybe even things that we don't like. So today we're going to learn how to use adjectives, which are words that describe things. So if I were to tell you that there is a tall green bush over there, which words describe the bush? Yes, tall, and also green. So yes, those are adjectives. So we're going to look at this picture of a park, and we're going to name off some things that we notice. So do we think that it's quiet or noisy? Yeah, it's probably pretty noisy. I mean, we can't obviously hear it, but we've all been to a park and we know it's pretty noisy when we do go. So is this park, is it bright or is it dark? Yep, it's bright. And also, do we think that this would be a fun or boring park? What do we think? Yeah, it would be pretty fun. So these three are describing words, are adjectives. So let's list some together. So we could say it's fun, it's bright, and it's noisy. Let's name some of the things at the park. So what do you say about that slide? It's a slippery slide. It's a fast slide. Yeah. And then what about the monkey bars? Dangerous. Yeah, maybe. They're high monkey bars. Yes. So now we are going to use a special helper that we have. And this is called AI. It's kind of like a little robot friend that'll help us give us some ideas. So I'm going to pull up AI on the board, and on my AI, I'm going to type, give me 5 describing words of a bus. So on here, before I scroll down, what are some words that we think are examples of a bus? Yep, yellow and slow. So the words that it chose were noisy and hot, yellow, fast, and small. So on those, do we think that any of those are wrong? Yeah, I don't think that small really describes a school bus. I mean, maybe if we're comparing it to something bigger, but I don't think that I would describe small as a school bus. So I want you guys to get out your journals, and I want you to write what your favorite adjective is that was given from school buses on the board. Okay, so remember, so AI might be like our robot friend. It can give us ideas, but it doesn't always mean that they're right. So like we said on here, it gave us bus that is small. So all that we have to do is we look at the words, and if we don't think that they quite fit, we don't have to use it. So what is another word that you would use to describe small? Would you use big or large? Maybe medium? So anytime in the future that you were to ask AI, or if we ask AI as a class, you can ask yourself, does it really fit? And does it really make sense with what we're trying to describe? And if it doesn't, then we don't have to list it. So now, I'm going to give you a piece of paper, and it's a drawing of a school. And I want you to add anything that you want to it or color it. And then I want you guys to put 3 describing words under your picture. So you guys can use your own words, or you can use some of the ones that we used earlier to describe a park, because some words might describe different things, and that's okay. Adjectives describe lots of different things. Like the word fun, what all can we think that fun would be? A party, or a bike, or a sleepover, or a park. Yeah. So after, I'm going to look up a school on here, and it's going to give us 5 different words. And you guys can either use those ones or you can use the ones that you guys choose. So after you do this, I want you to turn to your partner or go to your table in probably about 5-ish minutes, and you guys are going to read your words out loud and talk about if we think that they're right or whichever ones you guys think are your favorites and if you guys have any matching ones. So, thank you.